Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. During an audit of Prism Retailers Inc., the auditor discovers that the company recorded a $150,000 equipment purchase as office supplies expense on the income statement. Which AICPA objective was violated, and what is the financial statement impact? So simply put, we spent $150,000. Every time you spend money, you have to make a decision whether you need to expense or treat this expenditure as an asset. Here we are told we purchase equipment. Equipment is what? Is it an asset or is it an expense? Equipment is an asset. It's provide future benefit. So what's the error here? Well, we misclassify the transaction from an asset to an expense. So let's look at A. Proper period recording. Current year net income is overstated and long-term assets are understated. Well, net income is not overstated. If anything, net income is understated because we are recording this as an expense. And this is not a proper period recording because there is nothing about when we recorded the transaction. So A is out. B, proper transaction classification. Current year expenses are overstated. Indeed, net income is understated. That's correct. And total assets are understated. That's correct. So what we did here is we expense this $150,000. As a result, we have more expenses, less net income, and we have more assets, and our assets are lower because we're supposed to have this 150 under assets. Now on the exam, I would stop here. Don't go any further, but if you have time, just scan through the other ones and try to eliminate them immediately. Valid transaction identification, there's nothing to do with valid transaction. Proper monetary valuation, we are told it's 150, nothing about this. It's not a foreign currency transaction or subject to impairment or written down, so there's no monetary valuation involved. Now, if you are taking this MCQ on Farhat Lectures, you can ask the AI to explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer, and most importantly, create a similar MCQ. What should you do now? Whether you are a CPA, CMA, accounting student, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, exercises, simulations, multiple choice, lectures, AI to help you prepare for your exam. Don't shortchange yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AICPA questions, previously released AICPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.